Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I want to do a real quick video on the Hidden Woodsman fire pouch. So here's the pouch. Here's the back. It's got a nice zipper enclosure on it. And a Velcro patch so you can put your own patches on there. I keep my fire kit pretty simple. I got a Bic lighter, some matches. I've got some of these little Tinder Quicks, Zip fire starter, which I've used in a few videos. I try to keep 2 of them in here. Pocket bellows, and then a ferrocerium rod and a Firesteel.com super scraper. Actually, this is a light my fire. Why do I keep saying that? This is the Firesteel.com Armageddon and super scraper combo, which is some paracord to hold them together. And that's it. I mean, it's a really cool pouch. I've been really enjoying it. You can get them at the hiddenwoodsman.com, which is where I'll link the video down below. This is a great pouch. I've been really digging it. And I don't keep a very big fire kit, so. And I like how nice and flat it is. So today I'm using the Hidden Woodsman Mike Charlie pack, and what's nice about this, because it's so flat, it will just slide right down in front of the front pocket here. And it doesn't take up a ton of room, leaving my pack open for, you know, like the Stanley cook and prep set. And just my other things like that. Or if I wanted to, I could also, and I've done this a lot of times, there's a water bladder pouch back here, and I can just slide it in back here as well. So I know exactly where it is, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So, good stuff. So for this and other amazing Hidden Woodsman product, check out the hiddenwoodsman.com, and there'll be a link down in the description below. And as always, I thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.